Welcome to our tutorial on creating a digital art registry using Java. In today's video, we'll step through the process of designing and implementing a registry that will allow artists to document, manage, and showcase their digital art in an efficient and collaborative manner. Before we start coding, let's outline what our digital art registry will do. This registry will allow users to add new digital art pieces, view existing pieces, delete, and search for art by various attributes such as title, artist, and medium. To achieve this, we will create classes for our art pieces and the registry itself. We will also implement functionalities like adding new art, listing all art, searching art, and deleting art. Let's begin by laying out our project structure. Let's start coding by creating our first class, art piece. This class will represent an individual piece of digital art. Here, our art piece class features attributes such as title, artist, medium, and description. We also have a constructor to initialize these values and getter methods to retrieve them. The overridden toString method will be useful for displaying art pieces later on. Next, we'll create the art registry class, which will manage our collection of art piece objects. This class will include methods for adding, searching, deleting, and listing art pieces. In this art registry class, we use an array list to hold our collection of art piece objects. We've implemented methods to add art, list all art, search for an art piece by title, and delete an art piece by title. The Streams API makes searching and filtering much more straightforward. With our art registry in place, let's move on to the main class where we will implement a simple user interface to interact with our registry. For simplicity, we'll use the console for input and output. In the main class, we initialize an instance of art registry and use a scanner to read user input. The main loop displays a menu for user operations. Depending on user input, we call specific methods to add art, list art, search for art, or delete art. We also include error handling for invalid menu options. Let's implement some additional methods in the main class for listing the art, searching for art, and deleting art. These methods will handle the user interactions for those functionalities. The addArt method prompts the user for input to create a new art piece, adds it to the registry, and confirms the action. Similarly, the listArt method retrieves all art pieces from the registry and displays them, while the searchArt and deleteArt methods handle specific searches and deletions based on user input. Now that our classes are set up, let's run the application and test the functionalities we implemented. I will share my screen and demonstrate adding art, listing art, searching for an art piece, and deleting an art piece. You will see how the classes interact and how the data is managed. As you can see, we successfully added an art piece. When we listed all art, it appeared correctly. We then searched by title and found the piece again. Finally, we deleted it and confirmed it was removed by trying to list all art. Everything is functioning as intended. To further enhance our digital art registry, we could think about saving our art registry to a file, adding a database for persistent storage, or even creating a graphical user interface, GUI, for a better user experience. However, those topics would require separate tutorials altogether. In this video, we learned how to build a simple digital art registry from scratch using Java. We've covered object-oriented programming concepts, collections, and basic user interface design through a console application. I hope you're inspired to expand this project further. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on upcoming tutorials. We would also appreciate your feedback. Let us know in the comments what you think, or if there are other topics you would like us to cover.